Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain Step Banking app review to see if it's worth it. The Step app is a free all-in-one financial platform designed to help teen and young adults build credit, manage money, and earn reward. It offers a secured Visa card with no fee or interest, allowing users to spend only what they deposit, thus avoiding debit while establishing a credit history. This app includes the features like early pay for instant access up to $250, checkback reward of up to 8%, and saving account with interest rate up to 4.0%, which an user can also earn money by participating in in-app activities like games, survey with over 6 million users and endorsement from reputable source. Step provides a user-friendly interface and robust financial tools. Step is ideal for teens and young adults seeking to build a credit and manage finance without a fee. Its combination of credit building features, rewards, and savings tools make it a valuable resource for those starting their financial journey. However, it may not be suitable for users requiring advanced banking features or extensive parental control. And that's it.